Welcome to the treble crochet stitch. This is a very tall stitch, not frequently used, which creates a very open fabric. The stitch is more commonly used in lacy designs. When we look closer, we can see that the stitches are easy to recognise and count. I have circled one as an example. In a written pattern, the stitch can appear as either TTR or TRTR, so take a look at the abbreviations to see which your pattern is using. In a charted pattern, the stitch is shown as an elongated T with 3 dashes through it, but check your pattern's key to make sure. Now, let's learn the stitch. Wrap the yarn around your hook 3 times and insert it into the stitch. Yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now let's do that again. Yarn over 3 times, insert into your next stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. You need a turning chain of 5 for this stitch, or 4 if you're looking for a neater edge with a bulky yarn.